Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little stash ad. And if any of you guys are, let's flip it over so we can see it, interested in a shop card, shoot me an email. I'll have the email in my description. I'll be glad to send you one out. If you want to swap one, that'd be great. I'd love to swap one with you. So just let me know what you'd like to do if you want one of them. Alrighty, today everybody knows that Hobby Lobby's been having this pretty decent little clearance sale. So I went by the one here next to my house and it was nothing, absolutely nothing. So the other day I went by the one next to my work. I looked up and I found this one. Let me move you guys back just a little bit here. And so I got looking around. I found that one. And then I got to looking around and I found that one. So I found three of these right here. They had three of them left. And yeah, I bought them. I got a white one. I even got a black one with flames. Yeah, it's the same kit. But I bought three of them. I bought because these things are great deals. I mean, I don't know if you can see the price on that. That's $8.24 off, $32.99 piece, and it was $8.24. So yeah, had to buy it. And so I kept looking, and they had this one. And I've built this twice. The yellow one. I have a yellow one that I built in Grandpa Mark's, I think it was February group build that he did on his Facebook page. There's a yellow one there. Turned out pretty good. I've got a video on that one. If you guys want to go back and look at it, it's just a pretty cool kit. Everything went together pretty good. There's a lot of options with that kit, this kit. And I also built a green one for JT's 50s and 60s on Steelies, that the group build that he had. I built a green one for that one. And they're pretty good kits. But they had two of them at $7.49. I haven't seen a $7.50 kit new wrapped in forever. So I bought them. I bought a total of 5 of them. $8.24 for the Chevelle and $7.49 for the Fairlane. I paid more for my first one than I did both of these just now. So not complaining. But just want to do a little quick stash ad and say once again thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my subscribers that have been here with me sharing my channel, trying to help me get pushed out into the community. Very thankful for that. This is fun. I'm enjoying it. Hope my content's good for everybody and y'all like it, and we just keep on going. But this is what this is my stash ad. This is what I finally found at the Hobby Lobby, and that store don't have no more. So sorry guys, anybody come in after me. I've been chasing these deals down since was it Michael's quit carrying last year. I've been trying to chase these deals down and couldn't get there, so I finally found one. So here we go. Alrighty guys, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.